Hello friends, I am Vishal Jain from SHAH VANAJI KESAJI and company. I am the sixth generation in this company and we have been dealing in gold and diamond jewelry and supplying to retail jewelers across India and even GCC countries and few of European countries. And we would like to tell you that we are creating some new collections for upcoming IIJS show which is happening in August, and this is the 40th edition. So even we are bringing something on the lines of the theme Diverse India. So a very new and a diverse range of jewelry which is very lightweight, chunky and daily wear. So we hope to see you all at our booth at IIJS. Thank you. So IIJS is a platform from which we have benefited a lot. We have been associated with IIJS for say last more than 27-28 years, and the relationship with retailers what we have built is also very long. So few of our clients are more than 20 years old, few are 25-year-old, and this platform gives us very good business as well as very long-term business relationship with very good customers across India. Thank you.